Hey everyone, welcome back to Dry Protected. My name is Eric, and in today's episode I want to talk to you about the difference between ceramic coatings and paint protection film. Got them both right over here. Got this little bottle of our Defense Plus paint and PPF ceramic coating, as well as some of our Defense Plus paint protection film. We're going to talk about the differences between the two and what kind of results you can get from having each one individually or both together. But first, before we get into that, we got this GMC Sierra 1500 Denali Ultimate. I don't know how many more words they want to add to it, but GMC Sierra. And this truck's got 4,000 kilometers on it. I don't know what that is in miles. Maybe somebody, whoever's editing this video, will put the miles like right over here, but not much. Let's come down over here and let's have a look. Look at all these rock chips, right clean through the paint. So GM especially is notorious with not only just the design of these the box sides, the way they flare out like this. This is a high impact area for rock chips for vehicles as they're passing by. It's getting kicked up and it's hitting over here. They know that this is an issue, so they decided they're going to put a textured paint over here to try and stop it, but as you can see, it hasn't stopped nothing. And I can't imagine what this is going to look like in 100,000 more kilometers or 100,000 more miles or whatever. So when it comes to protection, there's two different kinds of protection. You got ceramic coatings, which is a liquid protection, just like this, right over here in this bottle. This will provide some protection. You know, it'll help enhance the gloss and shine and the paint on the vehicle. It'll help make it easier to wash, and it'll just make the vehicle look a lot better. You've got ceramic coatings, and then where do we have it? We've got paint protection film right over here. You know, paint protection film, this is a tangible product, 8 mils thick. You peel it away from its liner, and you've got an adhesive layer right over here, super stretchy. You're able to stretch it quite fine. This stuff is actually built and designed to actually take rock chips. Yes, this is not a very good installation right over here, but this kind of just gets the point across. This is actually going to take the stone chips, the rocks, a lot better than the ceramic coating. With this being a liquid, once it's installed and it's fully cured, it'll harden the paint a little bit, but this stuff will still chip up super fast. Rocks will get through this and get right down to the bare paint as if this ceramic coating isn't even there. The paint protection film, it's not bulletproof. It's also going to get chipped up, but the paint protection film is going to buy you a large window of time before this needs to be replaced. In fact, on a lot of different times, customers will actually opt in to having this area double stacked, double layered with paint protection film, just because they know that the PPF is going to take a beating, so the paint underneath it doesn't have to. So when that first layer starts to really get destroyed, peel it off, and you can reapply a new one underneath there. So yeah, with this truck coming in here, 4,000 kilometers, you can see just how much damage was on there. We are going to be wrapping this with PPF later today, but I just wanted to do a short video talking about the differences between ceramic coatings and paint protection film and what kind of results you can get. If this truck was ceramic coated before the customer took delivery, this would look no different. Whereas if it had paint protection film on it when the customer took delivery of the truck when it was brand new, there wouldn't be anything here. This would all be on the film, and the film, you could easily just remove it and replace it. So a lot of people will get mixed up. They'll think ceramic coating is the ultimate form of protection, and ceramic coating has its place. I'm not sitting here trying to bash ceramic coatings and saying that they're not any good. It's just when it comes to impact protection, I would not rely on a ceramic coating to provide any. If impact protection is what you're after, think paint protection film and then ceramic coating over tops, then you get the best of both worlds. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button down below. Leave a comment as well too. Let me know your thoughts on paint protection film versus ceramic coatings. I got an open mind to whatever anybody has to say about the two. So let me know down below and subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more paint protection film content.